my name's Laura. Did you know you can create and securely deliver important employee letters like teacher contracts without using a single piece of paper? You can with Skyward. From the Human Resources dashboard, click on Employee Administration, then under Employee Management, Reports. Select Build Employee Letters, then click Add. Enter a description. Select the current year under Plans and choose the selection parameters. Next, click on Select Employee Letter. Click Add and enter a letter name. Then click Save and Edit Layout. Enter any text or pictures you'd like to add. To insert profile or employee management fields, click on the Fields option in the upper left corner. When you're finished, click Save and Close. To post the letter, go back to the Reports page, select Post Employee Letters, and click Add. Enter a description and select your letter. Identify where the letter should be posted and check the option to allow the letter to be selected in online forms. When you're finished, click Post. Eliminate paper shuffling and keep important documents in one place by moving employee letters online. Work smarter with Skyward and stay tuned for the next quick hits for CFOs coming soon.